Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. Valentine week चल रहा है and you must be thinking अपने significant other को क्या gift करूँ? Don't worry, that's what this video is about. Valentine gift ideas for him, and I can guarantee they're gonna love these gifts. 90% of my followers are female, so I thought this is gonna be a perfect video for the Valentine week, and आप लोगों को भी बहुत helpful लगेगा. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Let's get started. Also ये गिफ्टिंग आइडियाज है तो आप कोई भी ओकेजन पे ये दे सकते हो और किसी को भी दे सकते हो, लाइक योर फादर, ब्रदर, फ्रेंड, बेस्ट फ्रेंड, लवर, हस्बैंड. इट डजंट हैव टू बी वन स्पेसिफिक पर्सन जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स वैलेंटाइंस डे. इट्स यूनिवर्सल, आप किसी को भी गिफ्ट कर सकते हो. My first gifting option would be perfumes. I love perfumes and I love men who smell good. So perfumes are a great choice. Now if you know that person and if you know कि उनको favorite perfume कौन सा है, उनका favorite scent कौन सा है, of course you can give them that. Or you can give them a collection of perfumes. This is by Bella Vita, is their luxury collection, and inside it has 4 different perfumes to choose from, which is great. Now this one is CEO Man, Oud Perfume, Club Man and Goat Man. Now I have heard a lot of good reviews about this, so it's a great gifting option, I would say. It comes in this cute little packaging. It's a small 20 ml travel size bottle, great to travel with, of course. And you get to try out 4 different perfumes, you know. This is CEO Man, by the way. Let's smell it. Smells really good, so I'm really happy about this. Ajinkya loves perfumes as well. I know he's gonna enjoy it and he's gonna love this one. My second gifting option would be a really good wallet. I picked this one up by Tommy Hilfiger. It's a premium brand. जिसको भी मिल रहा है, they're gonna appreciate it. They're gonna love it. I feel. I mean, wallet कौन नहीं carry करता? Everyone carries a wallet, right? So it's a perfect gifting option, I would say. And this is how the wallet is looking. I love it. Ajinkya की तो चांदी है. He's gonna receive a lot of gifts this Valentine's Day. So this is how the wallet is looking. I love it. Very sleek, very cute. And the feel and touch of it is really premium, which I love. Opening it, it has a lot of compartments. That's exactly why I picked it up, because बहुत सारे ऐसे wallets होते हैं जिसमें ज़्यादा compartments होते नहीं हैं, and men have a lot of cash and coins and a lot of cards to choose. So yeah, I love this because इसमें compartments बहुत सारे हैं. इसमें 2 main compartments है over here. एंड यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे ऐसे स्लिट्स हैं जहाँ पर वो कार्ड्स रख सकते हैं, मल्टीपल. एंड अगेन दिस साइड ओवर हियर इट हैज मल्टीपल कार्ड्स ओवर हियर, over here, over here. So lot of storage, a lot of compartments to choose from. Overall, the look and feel, everything about it screams premium. The touch, feel, everything. It's a really good gifting option. So big thumbs up. It also comes with a warranty card, by the way. I love practical gifts that they would actually use in a day-to-day life. मुझे वो showcase और इसमें रखने वाला उसमें रखने वाला चीजें नहीं पसंद आता है. I feel it's kind of a waste. I don't know, it's just my choice. The next gifting option would be some skincare. I know लड़के skincare ज़्यादा करते नहीं है, but this one is perfectly curated for them because इसमें ज़्यादा steps है नहीं. The first one is a face wash. I mean सभी face wash use करते ही है. This one is by Garnier. It's their Men Turbo Bright Anti-Pollution Double Action face wash. Great for people who have a lot of oily skin or acne prone skin, something like that. It has vitamin C in it, black charcoal, so बहुत ही अच्छे से वो deep clean करेगा. It is a 2-in-1 anti-pollution plus brightening face wash. So yeah, any face wash would do. This is something that I picked up. अगर उनका कोई favorite face wash है, you can obviously pick that one up. Next is a moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. Ajinkya loves this moisturizer and he always steals mine. So I'm gifting him one so he wouldn't use mine and he'll have his own moisturizer to use. This is by Dot & Key. It's a ceramides and hyaluronic skin barrier repair plus face cream. This is great because it has ceramides in it. तो वो लोग ज़्यादा skin care तो करते नहीं है, but the ceramides would really help and protect their barrier. So a great option for men. And the last one is a sunscreen. Everyone should wear sunscreen, men or women. And लड़के लोग ज़्यादा use नहीं करते, तो give them this so they would actually start using it. Ajinkya always steals mine and this one he loves it as well. It does not have any white cast और बहुत ही अच्छा glow दे देता है. Makeup नहीं करते हो, but use this. Trust me, your skin is gonna glow and look really fresh and dewy. So Men, try this one out. This is by Aqualogica. It's their Radiance Plus Dewy Sunscreen. It has watermelon and niacinamide in it. बहुत ही अच्छे illuminating and hydrating ingredients है इसमें और आपका skin actually like a glow from within आ जाता है. So try this 3 things out and you're gonna love it. And yeah, it's a great gifting option. So give it to your man and they would start doing some skincare, you know. The next gifting option I got is a travel utility bag. लड़के लोगों के पास ये सब ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. So this is a great gifting option for them. Love the color. Something that is great for men, I would say. So it comes in a set of 2, something like this. So this one is like a duffel bag. And इसका जो zip भी है बहुत ही ज़्यादा premium है. ऐसे एकदम flimsy नहीं है. बहुत ही अच्छा quality है. And wow, look at the space. They can keep so many stuff that they need to carry while they're traveling. उनका shaving kit, face wash, hair care stuff, a lot of skincare stuff, anything. It's such great, like, good space as well. So yeah, while traveling you can just shove it in, keep it in your bag, and you have everything in one area. Otherwise, boys just throw everything in their luggage like that. At least they have something that is dedicated to their, you know, Shah area time, stuff like that. So yeah, this is the first bag that it came with, and this is the second one. In this you can keep your skincare stuff, hair stuff, anything that you want. So yeah, इसमें भी एक बड़ा area है यहाँ पर. It also has this little area. अलग से, again, the quality is very premium. The zip is very premium. And it opens something like this. I feel it's great. It's a great travel option. And I love the color. Love the color of this. It's such a great duo, no, to carry. I love it. The last and final gifting option I have for you guys is some shoes. Now, Ajinkya is really into cricket. So if you have someone who is into sports, you can give them some sports shoes. I got this one by Adidas. And just look at them. So pretty. I love the color of these shoes and they're looking so premium. The feel, the touch, everything about them is so premium. If they're not into sports, you can just get them some casual wear shoes. And this is great for even casual wear, I feel. Iska sole bhi bahut acha hai for people who are into sports and stuff. And yeah, I love the color of these shoes. They're so good. And this is how it's looking. Of course, you need to know the shoe size of it. Just ask them that. But other than that, yeah, आप exchange भी कर सकते हो in case it doesn't fit them. But it looks so freaking cute. I love it. And I know Ajinkya is gonna love them. So yeah, shoes, great. And obviously, as I said before, अगर वो नहीं पसंद तो casual shoes भी ले सकते हो. Options are unlimited. But a great gifting option, I would say. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे गिफ्ट्स के लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. Do not forget to check them out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.